So I've been to the Dollar Tree. Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo, and today I'm sharing a Dollar Tree haul with you guys. I've been in and out of the Dollar Tree a lot lately. It's that busy time of year where you need different little things for the holidays. I headed in to pick up my foil trays for our turkey. We had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I hope you did as well. And now that my house is fully decorated for Christmas, if you missed my home tour, I'll have it linked below and above for you guys. I'm ready to clean everything. So I headed in for some cleaners and different household items, and I did find some new things to share with you guys. So let's get right into it. I always pick this up, enough said. It lasts a few weeks, it's perfect. I have 2 bathrooms to clean, and I just cannot wait to get everything spick and span after the holidays. Now, something I do in my kitchen is I keep our dish liquid, which is Dawn, on the top of our sink area. But the problem with that is I buy it in bulk because we use it that much from Costco. So I always pick these up from the Dollar Tree. They're the condiment holders. You could use these for ketchup, mustard, a plethora of things. But I use them for dish liquid. I fill one up with it and I set it on the side, and then that way I'm not looking at a huge bottle of Dawn. The other thing I've been very in love with lately, and I've shared it before, it's not new, the totally awesome orange cleaner. Now, I use this in our laundry, and I use it when I send things to work with my husband for lunch that have any kind of oil in them, whether it's a homemade chicken noodle soup, something like that, where my plastic containers become sort of coated with an oil from the food. Sometimes it's spaghetti sauce. And what I do is I use Dawn and I clean them out. I always use paper towels so they don't ruin my sponges or my other towels. And then I put a little bit of that in and just wipe the edges with a paper towel, and they become totally degreased. I've also begun cleaning out my sink with it, and I love it. I love that stuff. You can use it for anything, but it is a good degreaser. Something I've been on the hunt for a while is one of these magnetic clips, because a lot of notifications are coming home from school. We do have a senior who's graduating, and there's all kinds of little performances and things like that that come along. So I needed a place on the fridge to just put them all, so I know that they're there. So I got another one. I used my other one with the Dollar Tree calendar that comes in a plastic cover, and that is my go-to every day. So cold and flu season is upon us, at least in my area. I got hit pretty hard. I have a compromised immune system, having MS and then the medication that I take for it. So I'm trying my darndest, and I always like to pick these little ready wipes up. You guys know I'm in the store a lot, so I like to come out to the car and wipe off my hands, my steering wheel, my phone, everything. So I needed some more of those for my car. And so I'm kind of a nut when it comes to oral hygiene. I brush my teeth multiple times a day. I floss. I use mouthwash. I'm just kind of crazy about it. And every now and then we'll go out to eat, or we'll be out and about, and I'll get something stuck in my teeth. And I found this. It's the perfect size. It's just the little plackers, and it comes in its own plastic container. There are 12 in there, and now that I have the little plastic container, I can always refill them. Keep this in my purse. There's nothing worse than being out and having, to me, there's 3 things: a jagged nail, and I don't have an emery board; really dry, cracked, chapped lips, and I don't have any chapstick; or having something stuck in my teeth and I cannot get it out. So kind of crazy, and that's going in my purse. Now, we took a family cruise over the summer, and we used disposable toothbrushes. These I picked up to replace the ones that we got rid of after the cruise. They fold down on each other, so this part just folds right down. I should have picked up more. I know that the Dollar Tree sells the ones that come in the clear plastic with a little toothpaste, but I really like the fact that these fold up, and that's something you could keep in your purse as well. Now for home, I picked up the 3-pack of the Colgate Soft toothbrushes. You cannot beat this deal unless you coupon, and then you could possibly get them for free. I love picking up the toothbrushes when they come in a 3-pack and they're Colgate and they're soft. Something that is part of my makeup routine is from Dollar Tree. It's the LA Colors Color Conceal Correct. So this is considered peach, and I inherited this beautiful trait from my mom of having really dark circles under my eyes. So I put this on. It works better than any concealer I've ever tried, and I love it. I'm running out. I should probably take stock out in that stuff. Now we were there, my daughter and I, and she was having a friend over, and we spotted these eyelashes. I actually put this on Instagram with a picture of my daughter wearing one of them. They're really nice, you guys. So I think this is pronounced Auntie. It looks like it's an I-O-N-I to me. So these come in different little plaid boxes. There's like a few different reds, like a bright red, a burgundy, and they're all different. This one is the Wispy Natural Medium. I shared this in my highlights on Instagram. If you follow me over there, you can see all of them. These are really great lashes, and we should have picked up more. She picked up a few pair. This is another one. This one is called the Wispy Spiky Long, and according to the teenagers in my life, these are the type of lashes that they wear on TikTok, if that means anything to you. So now on to some more treasures in my eyes. I always use the Bolero Wipes, and I was almost out. My daughter uses them as well, and so I was able to pick some up. I don't think these are brand new. This is the Coconut Coconut Rose Oil, and I just picked up a few of the different ones that they had. They still have these, which I love, these that are the coconut oil and sea salt, and they have a lavender one, and we just ran out of those. And then I picked this up from time to time. It's Bolero hand wash. This time of the season, being immune compromised, I like to pick up whatever little disposable soap is in the kids' bathroom with a paper towel, put it directly into the trash, and put out a fresh one, so I'm not in there cleaning what they're cleaning their hands with. Sorry, it's the nurse in me, and I am kind of a germaphobe. So something else for the kids' bathroom, and actually I think this smells wonderful. I might even use it myself. I picked up a couple bars. This is Dove for Men Care Extra Fresh, and I use Dove every day, 365 days a year. It's what I grew up on, and this stuff smells amazing. So I did get a bar for the boys each, and then I got another one because I'm gonna try it. Now on to a few more things. No brainer, it is cocoa season. I got some marshmallows. Something else that is perfect for this time of year is food coloring. So at my Dollar Tree, it is hit or miss. When I find it, I pick it up because this stuff can be $5 at the grocery store. It's by Supreme Tradition. You get red, blue, green, and yellow. Perfect for making frosted Christmas cookies, and you're only spending $1 instead of $5 at the grocery store. Now it's hit or miss, but when I find it, it's usually on the top shelf near the cereal. And then I got a few things for stocking stuffers for my guys. This is by Armor All. They're tire wipes, and when I was checking out, I just had 2 packs, and the cashier said, "Are there any more back there?" And I said, "Yeah." And she said, "Good, because I need to go get some more." I picked up some, and they're really good. So I said, "Can you ring me up an extra one?" So I got one for myself as well. And it says that you get 16 wipes, and I think it's kind of like a baby wipes plastic container. And then she had not seen these. These are little PVA chamois towels, perfect for washing your cars. And it's raining here today, so when the rain goes away, the cars are gonna be a mess. So they're gonna have to wait till Christmas for these, but I think these are great little stocking stuffers for guys. I also got one for myself. And I wanted to show you guys the toothbrush. So I just opened it, and it's even cooler than I thought. So this part opens up, and the toothbrush actually folds right down into the colored part, and then it's completely covered. So I'm highly impressed. And then teachers' gifts are on my mind. So I know that last year I made mental note that I'm out of cards for the kids to write out to their teachers. So I picked up this pack. I think they're super cute. Let It Snow. And I'll be putting together a few different gifts. If you guys are interested in seeing that, let me know and I can share a video on that. We are having a little family get together, and there's only one little girl coming, and so I have things for the boys, and I wanted to get her a little something, and I found this. And she's quite the girly girl. So it's a tiara on top of a Santa hat, and it's comfortable because it's a headband. When I was a little girl and I would try and wear a tiara, and who are we kidding? Last year, my birthday, when I tried to wear one, they're itchy. And so I like that it was on a soft headband and it won't bother her. Now, since it's Christmas, I think I'll just share this with you guys. What's next? So I just got not one, but two brand new Dollar Trees. I'm so excited. So I shared one with you guys. I'm gonna have to head back and record it, the other one, and share it. You guys really enjoyed seeing that, and it's brand new. It just opened. They had these heart wooden shapes. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet. I did pick up two. I probably should have gotten three, but I am probably gonna do something for Valentine's Day, since that's right around the corner, and St. Patty's Day. So if you can get a few of these, you can make a green leaf clover. Now, also for Christmas, I have a lot of wrapping paper I bought on clearance last year. The kids are older, their presents are smaller but more expensive, so we'll probably wrap each little item. But I did pick up some of the gift bags, and I thought this one was so cute. And am I the only person that likes their wrapping paper to kind of coordinate with their house, their tree, their decor? This totally matches my home this year. So just the sleigh rides, and this little guy is risen, covered in glitter. And then this one that you really could frame and turn into a really cute piece of decor. And that's the candy canes. This one's quite a bit taller. Now, Dollar Tree, I know you're not watching this, but if you by chance ever do, please make these deeper, because a bag this size would be so wonderful if you could put something in it and had a little more depth at the bottom. I feel like because of the shape they are, you put stuff in and they fall over. Just my opinion. Now, lots of things coming up for the holidays. We have a cookie exchange that one of the kids is going to, and so you bring a dozen cookies and then they lay them all out, and then you go around and put one back in your container and bring it home. So I thought this would be really cute to put it in, and my daughter always likes me to make thumbprint cookies, so I'm sure that's what I will be making to send. Last year the container came home with I think 4 cookies in it, because then they eat them all, which is totally fine. And this is something I was excited to find in Dollar Tree, but I'm not joking when I say that I'm kind of a miser. So we live in an area where there's a lot of cars, and a lot of people have a lot of cars around us. we now have 3 drivers in the house. We have 3 cars, and we park in our driveway, and I kind of prefer people to not park in front of our house because we have 3 cars to park. So it's become a little bit of a neighborhood joke, and I picked this up to be the crazy neighbor slash make everybody laugh on the street slash protect our parking space. So they had full-size cones. These are huge, and that's a reflective strip, and I got 3 of them, and I'm gonna write on them B, and then on the next one write, and the next one back, for whenever we are really needing to save that space. Yeah, true life. So I have a lot of videos coming up for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the Dollar Tree haul and had a wonderful Thanksgiving. And now on to Christmas, and I need to do some shopping, so I'll be taking you guys with me. Comment below and let me know where we should go next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.